Hi, this is Sylvia Sanchez, and today I want to talk to you about a great class to go. It's the Daisy Lane Class to Go kit. And this is for everyone it's available to everyone who really can't attend a live class or would prefer to kind of craft on their own. Or if you don't live in the area, you can always do this class online. So it's an online class. There's three options. You can get all the details on my website at DIYstampingfun.com. Just look for the Class to Go kits page on there. So today's Class to Go kit, or this month's Class to Go kit, involves the Daisy Lane bundle. And the bundle contains the punch and the stamp set that coordinates to cut the daisies from the stamp set. When you purchase the bundle, it's at a 10% discount. So it's a good deal to get it while there's still bundle pricing. So there's three options to do the Class to Go kit. And what that is the full class kit to go is $50. It's option one. You will get the bundle. Then you will get 5 kits that will include the paper, ribbon, embellishments, everything you need to complete 5 different cards, as well as a 3D project. In addition to that, for the $50 is you will get a full bolt of ribbon, and I'll show you how to dye this ribbon to coordinate with your cards. And you will also get the clear faceted gems that are used in these cards, but you can use for other projects. So this is actually, if you choose option one, you actually get this for free. So that price does not include the priority shipping. Option two is if you already own this bundle, then all you're going to get, you will need the stamps and the punch to complete your kit projects, but what you get in option two for $35 is you get a full bolt of ribbon, a package of clear faceted gems. You will get 5 individual kits to create the 5 cards. Everything's included except for the stamped images. And you'll get a full color tutorial. Option one also includes a PDF tutorial. Option two includes a PDF tutorial. So again, option two for $35, you receive 5 card kits complete and one for a 3D project, which is kind of like a little box or a bag. You'll get the clear faceted gems, and you'll get a full bolt of silver edged metallic ribbon. That's option two. Option three is only for the color PDF tutorial. That will be emailed on or about the last day of when registration closes. So registration is open right now for this class. It also ends on July the 20th. This is a pre-order, so you need to send me an email, and it's ssanchez or ssanchez.email@gmail.com. All the information is on my website, so make sure you go to DIYstampingfun.com and look for the page that says Class to Go Kits. You'll get all the information there. When you email me, keep in mind that autocorrect wants to only drop one of the S's. My email does contain 2 S's. It's ssanchez.email@gmail.com. All right, option 1 and 2 is shipped to you, priority mail. This is a pre-order. On the date of closing or the day after, the registration deadline is July 20th. Then it takes about a week for Stampin' Up! To send me everything. I will do the cutting, the scoring, and packaging again for options 1 and 2, and I'll ship them to you via priority. So send me an email Option 1 again is $50. Option 2 is $35. And if you just want the PDF and you have all the supplies you need, then it's only $20. Don't hesitate to contact me. And again, go to my website, DIYstampingfun.com. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.